In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail name quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. There are actually two different ways to change your name depending on what you want. You can update the sender/display name that people see when you send emails, or you can change the name on your entire Google account, which updates across all Google services. Let's start with just changing the Gmail sender name. Open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the quick menu, select See All Settings. At the top, go to the Account and Import tab. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Send Mail As. Here, you'll see your current name and email address. Click Edit Info, enter the new name you want to appear for outgoing messages, and then click Save Changes. That's all it takes to update the display name people see when you email them. Now, if you want to change the name for your entire Google account, click your profile icon in the upper right corner of Gmail and choose Manage your Google account. On the left side, select Personal Info, then scroll down to locate the name section. Click on it, update your first and/or last name, and then click Save. This change will apply across Google services like Gmail, Drive, Meet, and more. And that's it. Whether you're fixing a typo, updating branding, or switching to a preferred name, you now know both ways to update your Gmail name. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.